I hear a lot about the nervous system relating to Kundalini, but I have never understood what is the relation. I mean, we know that she's running through our entire body and affecting us on so many different levels, but I hear nervous system a lot. So what relation is there that is so extra special?
Yeah, well, some will say the entire body is regulated by the nervous system. And I saw a sort of meme, you could say. It was almost like a cadaver, but the nervous system had been extracted out of this human body, and it was just laying on a table with just these, many different lines. And it said, this is actually what's perceiving the world. It's the nervous system. When you touch something, it's your nervous system that's interpreting and sending the signals to your brain and all this kind of stuff. So we're actually nervous systems in human bodies, and it's the nervous system that seems to be also in alignment with the energetic channels, or what we may call the nadis, in the human body, that the energy is flowing in. And so we can also see that when we relax, when we meditate, this affects the nervous system. The nervous system it goes into, a relaxed state. And this seems to be synonymous with energy flowing through the nadis. As well, in the nervous system, there is the largest nerve is the vagus nerve. It's very important for regulating a lot of important things. But the vagus nerve runs along the spinal column, just like what we may call the Sushumna Nadi within yoga, or the central channel, the central column. So it seems that the nervous system can be very much overlaid directly onto what we may call the energy system. And a relaxed nervous system is a relaxed, flowing, energetic system. So this is why you can explore some of the more scientific paradigms to facilitate your understanding and to develop your trust in these processes. So somebody who's traumatized, their nervous system is maybe in a state of fight, flight, freeze, for example. Spiritual people would say somebody who's traumatized has a blockage in their chakra. In both cases, the energy can't flow or the nervous system can't relax. So it's the same thing, just looked at it through a more scientific paradigm, which can help. And this can also give us some confidence when we're exploring more scientific modalities of healing. Say you want to, do the trauma work, or look into the benefits of meditation in terms of how it affects the nervous system, because the spiritual stuff is weird for some people and it's not super digestible for some. But the vagus nerve is pretty well documented, and what it's got to do with our overall well-being and peace and ability to relax. So these are some things that you can consider.
So working with the nervous system can facilitate our Kundalini process, make it easier.
Yes. Working with the nervous system is another paradigm to look at working with the energy in the body, the energy system in the body.
Yeah.